Railway vehicle. Name and sounds. Bullet train. Bullet train. High-speed trains designed to run at very high speeds, typically exceeding 250 kilometers per hour, 155 miles per hour. A famous example is Japan's Shinkansen. Commuter train. Commuter train. Passenger trains that typically operate within large cities and surrounding areas, serving the daily commuting needs of residents. Container train. Container train. Freight trains designed to transport standard shipping containers between major freight hubs such as seaports and warehouses. Freight train. Freight train. Trains that carry goods, including various types of cars designed to transport different kinds of cargo like coal, grain, automobiles, etc. Funicular. Funicular, a type of cable railway used for steep inclines, moving up and down using a cable, often used to overcome significant height differences in a short distance. Rail bus. Rail bus, a bus-like vehicle that runs on railway tracks, often used on low-traffic railway lines or in rural areas. Metro train. Metro train. Subway trains, systems that run underground or elevated in large cities, serving the transportation needs of urban residents. Intercity train. Intercity train. Trains that operate between cities, serving long-distance routes and typically running at higher speeds than local trains. Double-decker train. Double-decker train. Trains with two levels, designed to carry more passengers within the same floor area, often used on long or busy routes. High-speed train. High-speed train, similar to bullet trains, designed to run at very high speeds. Electric locomotive. Electric locomotive. Locomotives that use electricity from overhead lines or a third rail to provide power. Oil train. Oil train. Trains that transport oil, including specialized cars designed to carry crude oil or other petroleum products. Regional train. Regional train. Trains serving shorter routes than intercity trains, connecting towns and villages with larger cities. Subway train. Subway train, similar to metro trains, underground trains serving urban transportation needs. Steam locomotive. Steam locomotive. Locomotives that use steam from a boiler to generate power. These are classic engines and symbols of the railway's development. Passenger train. Passenger train. Trains designed to carry passengers between different locations. Monorail. Monorail. Trains that run on a single rail, often used in urban areas or amusement parks. Thomas train. Thomas train. Thomas the Tank Engine. A famous character from the children's television series, Thomas and Friends. Tram train. Tram train. Tram trains, operating on urban routes and capable of sharing tracks with road vehicles. SEPTA. SEPTA. Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority, the public transportation system serving the Philadelphia area and nearby regions in Pennsylvania, USA. Maglev. Maglev. Magnetic levitation trains that use magnets to lift and propel the train, allowing it to reach very high speeds with no friction against the tracks.